Hi, this is Jenny from the Ukulele Sisters, and I'm here to give you a lesson on Silent Night chord melody. For Silent Night chord melody, you're going to use all three techniques. You're going to use the pinch, so I pinch 3 strings because my first chord is this partial chord with a G in the melody. So I put my thumb on the 4th string, I put my index finger on the 3rd string, and I put my middle finger on the 2nd string and I pinch. Then I have single notes, pinch, single, 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 strum, strum, pinch, single, single, strum, strum. Move up for the melody note, and then I make the shape of the G7. Now, if you're not yet comfortable making the 4-note chord that is really very beautiful, you can just do a 3-note chord like this. Still works. A lot of people do that for a long time until they get comfortable doing the 4-note chord. But I'm going to show the 4-note chord. I'll put the alternative on the video as well. G chord, strum, strum. This is the second line. Pluck, strum, pluck, pluck, strum, strum, pluck, strum, pluck. The F chord with the C on top. Use the pinky because I'm going down to a B, and I pinch. Pinch, strum, strum. This is the 3rd line here, and I'm going to go single note strum. Pinch, pinch. This part is a tricky part because you have a G7 here, and you have the G7 on the 8th, 7th, and 8th fret. The way I do that one is I bar across, and then I put my 2nd finger on the 8th fret. That is the same shape as G7, but it's up here on the 7th fret. So when you get to that part, you play 5, strum, 5, 8, and you strum it when you get up there. So you go 5, strum, and then you go over to the 3rd string for those notes because it's easier than dropping back, and then you play even this high C on the 8th fret of the 2nd string. Then you drop back to the A minor on the 4th line. The chord here, then the ending is not so tricky. It's pinch,